What does technical analysis entail? And how does it differ from fundamental analysis? Hi, I am Mahmoud Alkudsi, ADSS Senior Market Strategist. In this video, I'll explain the concept of technical and fundamental analysis and highlight their differences. So let's get started. The first thing to know about technical and fundamental analysis is that they are the main method for identifying trading opportunities in the financial markets. While they share a common goal of helping traders anticipate the market movement, the way they applied the financial instrument is different. We'll start with the fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis measures the intrinsic value of an asset, which is then used to predict future price changes. The intrinsic value is determined by analyzing industrial, demographic, and economic data. Fundamental analysis scrutinized internal and external factors to identify if an asset is overvalued or undervalued. It is also look at historical and current market data for future predictions. Fundamental analysis works on the assumption that the market corrects itself so that the asset returns to its fair value. This suggests that traders have the option to purchase undervalued asset and wait for the market correction, leading to an increase in price, at which point they can sell. Conversely, the opposite is true for overvalued assets. Paying attention to the latest news headlines is key for a fundamental analysis strategy, as world events such as US non-farm payrolls reports and geopolitical tensions can impact the price of an asset. Next, let's look at technical analysis. Technical analysis studies historical data to predict future price trends. This data includes price patterns, trading volumes, market trends, and more. The tools employed to predict future price movements based on historical patterns are indicators that assess parameters such as price, time, and volume. Technical analysis assumes that markets follow trends. Although this is generally accurate, unforeseen events have the potential to reverse these trends. So, what is the difference between technical and fundamental analysis? Firstly, the time horizon. While fundamental analysis is a long-term approach, technical analysis focuses on the short term. When trading stocks, you would extensively research about company, industry, its management, and profitability. Technical analysis, on the other hand, focuses on shorter duration, ranging from minutes to days or weeks. Secondly, tools of analysis. Each approach has its own set of indicators to predict prices. Fundamental analysis use a macro and micro perspective. For example, central bank announcement. The primary activity that adds volatility to the market is a change in interest rates. Additionally, monetary policy, asset purchases, and currency revaluation all affect the liquidity in the markets. Economic data. Data on the nation GDP and unemployment rate can impact the value of the domestic currency. Inflation is another key economic indicator that measures the purchasing power of a currency. On the other hand, technical analysis uses mathematical patterns that the historical data reflects on the price chart of the asset. These also include using technical indicators and carefully combining two or more to make trading decisions. For example, momentum indicators. These reflect how quickly or slowly the price of an asset is moving and the strength of the price movement, such as the MACD, Average Directional Index, Stochastic Oscillator, and Relative Strength Index. We will cover these indicators in separate video. Trend indicators. These identify an existing trend and whether it is likely to continue. This can help you to determine appropriate long and short position, such as Bollinger Bands. Volatility indicators. These gauge whether the market is consolidating or trending. Industry or economic development can lead to market volatility. The most popular is the average true range indicator. The question now, Which analysis method is superior, fundamental or technical? The answer is recommendable using a combination of fundamental and technical analysis to make informed trading decisions. Well, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. I will continue to learn about different aspects of trading.